Do you ever catch a big win and then start calculating how much you could earn if you just made that every day? It never comes true, does it? That's because you're looking at it the wrong way. You'll have 5 types of trades: big win, small win, break even, small loss, big loss. We've all had big wins. The problem is they mean nothing if you have big losses. Even small ones can eat all your profit away. Everyone can get a big win. Few can keep it. If you want consistent profit, do this. Make your curve as smooth as possible, especially on the downside. Every trader will have periods where everything works well, and periods where nothing works. When your system is working well, press on. When your system isn't working well, lay low and trade less. Don't force trades or increase your size. It'll take a long time to get out of that hole. Risk management is key. You should be able to bleed for a week straight and make it all back in a few days. If it takes you an entire month to recover, it's not a good sign. Once you know how to preserve capital and profit consistently, you've made yourself a real-life money printer. If you stay focused, this is easily within your reach. Like and follow for more real trading advice.